Hi, I'm Nikki and I am a homemaker. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps your girl out and I do appreciate it. So today's cake is called Perfectly Perfect Pineapple. I saw this recipe online. I wanted to try it because I'm such a huge fan of pineapple. And I'm going to tell you the truth. Everybody had different mixed reviews on it. Some loved it more than others. Some of them thought it was okay. Some of them want to stick to upside down pineapple cake, and that is my favorite. But it's something you're going to have to try out for yourself. I liked it. I thought it was good. My mom loved it. Two other people really loved it. Great news is it's an easy recipe and it does not take long to make at all. So stick around and watch this recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, you guys, I have been trying to look for another recipe, something that my husband would really enjoy because he has a sweet tooth like no other. So let's start off. And of course, the ingredients will be listed down below in the description area, you guys. So we're going to start out 2 1/4 cup of flour. I was even thinking of doing a yellow cake. I was like, I wonder if I can do a yellow cake. Okay, so 2 1/4. Did I say it right, babe?
Yeah.
He does not like when I say 1/4. He'll say a quarter. Or, I don't know.
A quarter, half, 3/4.
Yeah. Okay. And then there's 2. And then a quarter is probably about... That right there. Probably even a little less. Yeah. I don't know, give or take. Anyways, 2 cups and a quarter. And a cup and a quarter of granulated sugar, some white sugar. And a quarter. We're going to put 2 eggs in there. Dos blanquillos. And if you have vanilla extract, go ahead and put a teaspoon. I don't have any on me, and I hardly use vanilla extract unless I'm doing banana bread. Let me go wash my hands. I don't like seasoning with eggs. Okay. Hey, when there's eggs on my fingers. Okay, and then we're going to add a can of crushed pineapples with the pineapple juice. It says do not drain. It's a little different, you know. And we're just gonna mix this bad boy up. Oh, sorry, I completely forgot one of the most important ingredients, which is 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Boy, this baby was not about to rise. No way, no how without baking soda. Alrighty. You know what? I'm surprised this doesn't have oil in it, but I think it's because of the pineapple, right? Interesting. This is done. Oven should be preheated at 350 degrees when you're getting the cake ready, so it can be ready for the cake to be put in. Oh, thank you. Thank you, sir. We're gonna need some more of this. Yeah, right there. Okay. Now we're going to pour this in. And the topping for this, oh my God, it looks like it's going to just be great. Kind of reminds me of a big red cake when it comes to the topping. Alrighty. In the oven for 25 minutes. See you in a bit. Okay, so I left it in there a little bit longer. I think I went... what, 10 minutes overboard? So sorry about that, but I don't know, feels good though. Now we're gonna do the topping. Let me let this cool down. I only did 2 boxes of 1 ounce banana pudding, and it says to do 3 ounces or 3.5 ounces, and I only did 2 boxes. So it says to put the whole can of crushed pineapple in there. I'm going to mix it around. It says with the juice as well. Don't take the juice out ever. Ever. Alright. Once this is mixed, we're going to open up the Cool Whip. And we're just going to fold it in there. Oh, I love the way cool it smells. Just fold it in there. Alrighty, and then we're just going to put it on top of the cake. Let your cake cool off a bit. Oh, wow. Look at her. Oh, she looking right. Okay. Whoa. Whoa now. Okay, I don't think all of this is going to fit. Wow. I should have poked holes in it. It doesn't say to do that, but... And of course, you're going to want to put this in the refrigerator right away, but we're going to go ahead and taste it. So, here's my daughter, because we've never made this before. This is a first time. Here we go. I'm just going to let her taste it.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay?
It's okay.
So what's better, this one or upside down pineapple?
Upside down pineapple.
Alright, so upside down pineapple is still the winner. But I wanted to try this out because, I don't know, it was different than what I've ever...
Yeah, it's okay though. It's pretty good. It's got a good taste.
Okay. Not bad at all. And I know whenever we let it cool down and they eat it tomorrow, it's going to taste different because the flavors have had time to collect, and then it needs to be refrigerated anyways. Okay, so my mom is eating some of the cake and she really, really likes it. So this is just one of those cakes that you're going to have to try for yourself, because everybody in this house who likes upside down pineapple has a different review on this cake. So you guys, you're just going to have to try it out for yourself. What do you think of it, Mom?
That's great. If you like moist, this is moist.
Awesome. So try it out for yourself, you guys. She's tearing it up, boy. You want to try it out if you're a real pineapple lover and you want to try something else other than upside down pineapple cake, because upside down pineapple is my most favorite cake. So I was interested in this one. But I will always give an honest review, and if it's not the best, well, then I'm just going to let you know.
The pineapples in the bread is pretty good.
Pretty good? Yeah. Okay. So my husband is loving the pineapple that is in the cake bread. Mm-hmm. So that's, and what about the topping? You're not too...
I like the topping.
Okay.
Topping's okay.
My daughter likes the topping. I don't know. This is something you'd have to try out for yourself, you guys, because everyone here loves upside down pineapple cake, but we're getting some different, reviews. It's something you got to try out. But it's something y'all going to eat tomorrow, right? You're going to eat this cake up?
Hell yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. Always keeping it honest and real here. So, I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to smash that like button. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.